Welcome to my Dear Earth Love Francis YouTube channel. So this is day one. So for those who have seen me on YouTube before, this YouTube channel used to be a real estate channel where what I normally do was I post videos of houses for sale. And then yeah, I just go around the houses and then show different features of the house. So I was able to accumulate 1,250 subscribers, and then all of a sudden I just paused. I never went back posting on YouTube. I just absorb content on YouTube, but I never post anything. So that was like a long time ago. But now I'm back, and I'm gonna update my YouTube channel. So bear me with. I still don't have the thumbnail nor the title because what I want for now is just to get the word out. You know, like a straightforward, direct approach message to you guys about my campaign. So if you're wondering what is my campaign, so it's about climate change. If you go around, if you look around, whether on the internet or outside, you will see we have different kinds of natural disasters, and it's getting worse year after year. So, like the sea level is rising, the temperature is hotter than before, the storms and typhoons are getting stronger, earthquakes are more frequent. So it's like in each and every corner there's like disasters, natural disasters. So that's why I'm here and providing awareness, providing education, and hopefully giving inspiration to people like you to get involved, to participate. Even just the smallest, tiniest support or activity from you would mean a lot. Okay? So don't worry, because this will be like a daily diary from day 1 to day 365, hoping that before the end of that year, I am able to touch a lot of people's lives and able to do a lot of activities and programs all over the world. So I know I can do it by myself. So that's the reason why I'm here on YouTube. And this is supposed to be also a podcast eventually. So it will evolve over time. So bear with me again with this. I'm just inside my room. No microphones, no editing, just me. All right. So what we'll be talking about in my upcoming videos on YouTube? Well, there's a lot, right? I'm an AI engineer, so we'll be making a lot of AI technology in terms of agroforestry, in terms of propagating native and endemic trees, and so on and so forth. I don't want to bore you with those if you're not that techy. But it's not just technology. It's about helping smallholder farmers, especially countries in the third world region. Um, for business people like you, for those who are engaged into business, uh, I could also give you information on new and upcoming agri-tech business ventures. So me and my team, we are doing this research and algorithm to track down what is best for new investment and like promising investment that will reap you rewards in the coming years. So I won't um, take much of your time. So this, like I said, I'm gonna be a daily YouTube video. So this is day one. Oh, so there'll be more topics every day. So by the way, I also request that you please subscribe, like, and share this video because your support means the world to us, really. And I know it's like repetitive that people will keep on asking on please like, share, and subscribe, but we need that so that we could share the word out. And that simple touch of a button will mean a lot for us. Thank you.